Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a realistic cat face step by step. Take your pen, marker, and paper and let's start drawing together. Let's draw the cat's eye first. I start with the outline using a thin black pen and then I go over it again with a Sharpie marker. Now we start drawing the first hairs. Just repeat my movements. Time to draw the cat's profile. This is an important step, an important line. Now we draw the nose and then the mouth. Time for the second eye. Next we draw the right ear. Then we add some hairs, just like I show. Now it's time for the second ear. This one is much bigger because the left side of the cat is closer to us. Now it's time to draw the main fur. And finally, don't forget about the whiskers and the eyebrows. And that's it. Our realistic cat face is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next video.